Hey everybody, it's Miss Elizabeth with PEAS, Partners for Education, Agriculture and Sustainability, and I'm back to teach a lesson on the natural color wheel. So we're going to be going outside today and looking for colors in nature, so you need to make sure that you have your parents' permission to go outside and go for a walk or take them with you. You can also do this in your backyard. There are variations. So what you're going to need today is some sort of little bag, because you're going to be picking colors, and make sure that you've got permission to pick, and don't pick very much because we're just going to need a little. And you're also going to need a color wheel, or at least be familiar with one. I got pictures off the internet, and then I colored this one just so I know what I'm looking for. So now I'm just going to go and I'm going to start walking, and I'm going to be looking for different colors in nature and taking little examples. Let's go. All right, I'm finished with my walk, and I've got all my different colors in my bag. So now I'm going to go inside, or you can certainly do this outside if it's not too windy of a day. And I've got blank manila paper to make my color wheel. So I've got all my stuff in my bag, and I'm going to empty out all my colors. And I've got a bunch of different colors that I am going to construct a color wheel. I'm super grateful for what Mother Nature gives us in colors and smells. I make a point to get outside every day to enjoy nature and all of its beauty. So make sure that you get outside and get some of that nature, but make sure that you have your social distancing, meaning that you are 6 feet away from anyone else. Make sure that you are washing your hands for at least 20 seconds. And be sure and visit us at www.peascommunity.org and go to the distance learning page. Make sure that you find the Google form that goes along with this lesson fill it out, and then you'll be put in for a drawing for Summer Fun passes. So everybody take care, get outside and play, and we'll see you next time.